So sustainability doesn't need to be limited to physical location. It doesn't need to mean that you have to care about gardening or be out in the fields slaving away with a shovel. It could mean that you're participating in making decisions that think about that collective notion, that think about what it really would be to be wise for yourself and for the world around you. And when I learned that if everyone lived like the average Canadian, which, I'm from Montreal, proud Canadian, I used to think that Canada was such a green and environmentally friendly and amazing country. When I learned that if everyone lived like the average Canadian, we would need 5 planets just to survive, something inside of me just said we had to do something. We had to be a part of this notion, and we had to do it not only from a position of knowledge, right? Not only from if people knew better, they would do better, but actually enabling them to make that decision. And so I really believe that entrepreneurs do that. They tap into the offerings that people actually want, not the things that people have to participate in. That's why I never believe that government is going to solve the issue. We have to solve the issue. We can't expect that a carbon tax is going to make the problems go away. So I believe that entrepreneurship is a test of real value. Right? To be an entrepreneur, to have a functioning business and have that business function for a longer period of time than the startup phase, you really need to move away from the idea that you're just creating something because you think it's cool to you're creating something that people actually want and actually value. And so entrepreneurs have found a way to build infrastructure community in a microcosm that enables that value to come to life, that enables people to say, I want what you're offering. I want to take and receive the gifts that you're putting out, and I see value in those gifts. But they can't do it alone, right? Entrepreneurs need influencers as well. They need creatives. They need people to come together to make the artwork, the logos, the graphics, the website, the videos that actually communicate this message in a bigger way. In the exact same way that these cameras are doing it right here and right now. So our capacity to tell a story through all of these different channels and recognizing that the philanthropists cannot just be out there fishing and handing out fish, but they need to be doing something that kind of enables this to happen in a big way. Well, that's why I see the merge of philanthropreneur being this new term, this new paradigm shift towards, something the world hasn't seen before.